guys, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm going to be recording a everyday makeup look. So you can literally match this with anything. I try to keep it as simple and as easy as possible so that you can wake up, do this, and go. The eyelashes made it a little more dramatic, but if you guys don't wear them with lashes, it looks really cute and natural as well. Let's go ahead and jump right in.
So I'm gonna start by pulling my hair back out of my face and moisturizing with some vitamin C brightening booster. Applying a few drops and rubbing it all over your face. For eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia dip gel per usual. And by the way guys, that red mark on my face is a burn. I was curling my hair earlier and I accidentally touched my face, so there's that, don't mind that. So now that my eyebrows are nice and defined from the bottom, I am going to be concealing my eyelids with some Born This Way concealer. And just applying that to all of the red tones on my face and blemishes. I love how warm this concealer is on my face. It really does bring out like a glowy natural look, not so much of like a bright look. Using the Smashbox Holidays palette, I'm going to be using the color Pearls Gone Wild to highlight my brow bone. I love highlighting my brow bone, especially during a natural makeup look. It just really helps your natural features pop way more. So I'm just going to get that all over my brow bone, making it nice and glamorous. So using the Morphe 18S Sunset Beats palette, I am going to be using the color Daybreak, and I'm just going to mix that all over my eyelid, especially on my crease. That's what I really want to focus on, my crease. And I'm going to bring the product down my nose so that I'm following my natural eye shape and creating like a contour. Using the color Beach Scene, I am going to cover just my eyelids, not much of my crease, but getting my eyelids nice and pigmented in the color Beach Scene. It should create a really dark, almost like an orange on your eyelid. Using the Born This Way concealer, I am going to conceal my eyebrows and just mix the product in, bringing the product up. I'm not really so concerned about rubbing on my eyebrows just because I still have to go back and fill them in. So now I'm just going to brush them up and get ready to fill in the top. And voila! Just brush this back, fill them in, and get them looking nice and perfect because eyebrows are the most important part of makeup. Next, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. And I'm just going to add that to my face. Honestly, it's summer and a light coverage is much better for your skin than a heavy coverage, so I like this one a lot and it's super affordable. Once that is nice and mixed in, I'm going to conceal my under eye with the same Born This Way concealer. And just start rubbing it in with a brush, keeping a very light hand because you don't want to bring the red tones out from underneath your makeup, and sometimes when you use a heavy hand it tends to show a little bit more. So once I remove all of that hair stuck to my face and get my concealer nice, I am going to set it with some Kylie Cosmetics translucent powder. And I'm just going to add that underneath my eyes and maybe on the side of my nose just to get it ready to contour. And with the fan brush, I'm just going to brush away all of the excessive product. Once again, going in with the Holidays palette, I am going to mix contour and bronze and start bronzing my face. I know that sounds so weird, but those are literally the name of the colors. And I'm just going to add that to my temple, my cheeks. Using a bronzer brush, I am going to start mixing my bronzer in upward motions. Get that nice and blended in because blending is key to makeup. Going in with the same concealer, I am going to just add a little bit of concealer underneath my bronzer for a little bit more definition. Who knew doing makeup makes you so thirsty? So grabbing contour again, I'm going to start contouring my nose. Honestly, just follow your natural shape because it's exactly what's going to look the best. So now that that is nice and outlined, I am going to start mixing that in. I'm not going to be applying any product, but with the same concealer brush, I'm going to just highlight my nose a little bit more. So for some reason, I decided to start taking pictures in the middle of my video. Like, my makeup wasn't even done. Why am I feeling myself so much? Who knows? Like, the hair flip, the curls, the pose. Who do I feel like? I am going to be applying my lashes off camera. And there you go. For blush, I am going to be using the ColourPop Eye Sticks in the color 25A, and I'm just going to add a little bit to the bottom of my cheekbones and get that nice and mixed in. For lips, I'm going to be applying the Kylie Cosmetics Dulce K. And this is only going to be the base color. I'm going to be adding another color on top to make it look more pink or like velvet almost. The top lipstick will be the Cami in the Lippy Stick ColourPop collection. And I absolutely love the mix of these two. It looks super natural, super just so perfect for an everyday look. So this time we're going to be using the Blow a Fuse Pearl just to highlight the tip of my nose and the top of my lip. I'm also going to add a little bit to my inner eye to look as glowy and highlighted as I can.
And that is basically how I got this everyday natural makeup look. I know it's not as natural as some people like to say natural is, but I like a little bit of glam in my looks. I don't really care. Honestly, this is such a good look to use with like anything. I can see myself dressing up and having this look, and I can see myself bumming it and wearing this look. Like, it's just a really cute look and it goes well with anything. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week in next week's video.